Hello, here the question is 9 to power x equals to 27 and to find out what is the value of x. So first from this equation 9 is same as 3 to power 2 bracket power x equals to 27 is same as 3 to power 3. In the next step we are going to apply this exponential rule, which is a to power m bracket power n is equals to a to power m into n. Here in this equation it will be 3 to power 2x is equals to 3 to power 3. In the next step from this equation, it is in the form of a to power m equals to a to power n. As the exponents have same base, then after comparing their powers, m equals to n. For this equation, the base of exponents are also same in the both side of this equation. So after comparing their powers, we can write 2x equals to 3 or x equals to 1.5. So for this question, x equals to 1.5 is the correct answer.